have had an absolutely epic year here at Bridge Classic Cars. It's been so busy, and we just wanted to share with you some highlights of our very exciting year. So we've been thinking a lot about loads of different things this week. Things like sustainable fuel is one of the first things that I'd like us to have a little talk about today, because I feel like we've been thinking about it a lot recently and new things are coming up and it's quite exciting.
Well, Rob's the best person to talk about this, because you have been talking about it for a long time, haven't you?
Yeah, so I've written several articles about it on the website and things. I can't remember the first one I wrote. There was obviously something that happened and I wrote a story about it. I was like, oh, that sounds really cool. So reached out to P1 Fuels, who are, their headquarters are in Germany, I believe, but the team are all over the place. And I reached out to Jake, who's kind of the UK representative right now. So he did a Talking Classics for us, and just speaking to him, I was like, this is like such a great product and great things.
We always have so much going on in the workshop. It's always really busy in there. As we're walking through, there's always something going on. We'll have the office door open upstairs, won't we? And there'll be some grinders going. Very noisy all the time, but it's so brilliant to see. And it's amazing that it's doing so well.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. It's, we're always busy. It's really difficult because we'll sort of say we can't see anyone for a year or a year and a half. It's really difficult to sort of explain that to people. But everyone's so understanding, you know, that we could do with more staff. I think that would help because we can get more work in at the same time. But no, we've always been busy from day one, really. We're very lucky.
It's amazing. It's always so cool to walk around. Every day I come in, there's different cars in there. But there we are. So that's another weekly roundup finished for this week. Thank you so much for stepping away with us for 5 minutes, because I know it's setup day and it is very, very busy, isn't it?
It's a busy day today, yeah, so excuse the sort of bedraggled look, mid-setup.
You look fabulous.
So, yeah, it's busy, 160 odd cars turn up today.
Yeah.
Set everything up so that we're ready for viewing tomorrow. It's, we don't get out of it very early tonight, put it that way.
Or not. He thinks he's better at it than me. I don't think so. So you just crashed.
Brake. 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 I'm off. Robert, you got 15
I felt like they had no idea what they were looking for.
No,
both
so
of them.
I think the only thing, and as you,
You can
saw,
tell. Yeah, you can tell.
I'll explain why I chose this. So as you saw in the video, the only thing I had in my mind is Craig said, in jest, but also serious, I don't want a giant Michelin Man for the classic.
There were
round.
some really cool ones of those.
But so I saw this steering wheel, which I thought could make a nice tray, or if you put some perspex over
But what
it, a
Rob
nice
probably
stand.
hasn't thought is we have a container that probably has about 30 of these
Yes,
in,
but
that we
this
can't
is
sell.
Oh,
one.
it's a special edition though,
This
isn't it?
is one, yes. So this isn't from any particular car manufacturer. They were popular in the 60s and 70s, it's aftermarket, and they were most likely, probably, used in MGBs, Trump Spitfires, that type of thing.
Right.
Quite racing.
Yeah.
And because we do a lot of MGs, that's why you got it, because you thought
Yeah,
5 MG.
and it's got 100 written on it, and obviously it's the 100th anniversary of MG this year. So all of these things came together and drew me into this.
Yeah.
And then as a little bonus, which really sold it to me, the guy threw this in for free. Little
You love
Rolls
a mirror,
Royce mirror.
don't you?
Yeah, I do love a mirror. I love a Rolls Royce, and this is a Rolls Royce mirror. So
What was the challenge? How much did they have to spend?
Well, I didn't give them a price.
this was 4,000.
So I basically said, I basically said, choose something lovely for the classic lounge,
Steering wheel.
and this is the lovely item.
So
that,
the
Rob
grand
has come up with.
total that you bought these two things for was £20,
Right.
British pounds.
Brilliant.
Don't go near my car, Craig.
Going to be 12 till 5 constantly. You have to try this wine, you have to try that wine. You're not going to be completely gazeboed by the time you leave. Hopefully. welcome to the talk show. You are joining us here at the Birmingham NEC. Let's go and take a look. So John, what I'd love to ask you is a kind of a day in the life of you as a technician here at British Classic Cars. Now I know you are a very busy man.
Yeah, well, being as I'm on the competition side, I do flip from vehicle to vehicle. Quite often after an inspection of a vehicle, we'll need to order parts, so obviously I can't then finish that vehicle, so I need to move on to
the next one.
Exactly, and so on and so forth, and it repeats until I can come back to the car when the parts turn up and hopefully finish it off.
Yeah.
But yeah, a typical day, I could be 3, 4, 5 cars, might be only one car if I've got a lot of repairs to do. But,
Yeah.
like I say, if I'm flipping from car to car, it can be 3, 4, 5 different cars in a day.
Acércate pa' acá. Quiero saber tu nombre. ¿Qué quieres de tomar? Esto se va a incendiar. Quiero verte bailar. Quiero verte bailar.
Hello everyone and welcome to this week's talk show. I'm Molly and we have Rob here too.
Quiero verte bailar. Baby, yo te quiero ver bailar. Te quiero ver bailar. Te voy a querer besar. Quiero verte bailar.
I had one of the guys that he works with our distributors. He I forgot my phone. He texted me the other day. He Instagrammed me at about 2 o'clock in the morning and said this one, the build number 1. I'll get my note up. Where we say coach built paired with a lightly smoked cheddar and dried pineapple. Epic.
Tus ojos no lo esconden. Baby, you'll be on my mind. You'll be on my mind. Yeah. Baby, you'll be on my mind. It's like easy next time.